Tips and tricks when it comes to polishing. When polishing, the first step is to put the polishing pad in the center of the backing pad. Start polishing using a little bit of pressure and low RPMs. Before continuing to the next polishing step, reduce the pressure and increase the RPMs. Go over the surface to clean all extra polishing compounds. When continuing the second step, make sure to offset the polishing pad. Start polishing with low RPMs and a little bit of pressure. And before finishing, less pressure, more RPMs. By doing this, you will increase the gloss and reduce the haze.